Welcome back in the maths world. Now we will see one more method, one more example of division by two digits. Here we have written one example, that is 59,132 divided by 62. Now we have written the example in this format, that 5913 dot 2 divided by 62. 62 we have written like this. Now we will carry out the procedure as shown in the last two episodes. First, 5 divided by 6 not possible, so we have taken 59 as first digit. So 59 divided by 6, it comes to be 9, that is 6 9s are 54, and 5 comes as a remainder which will prefix to the next digit. So here the gross dividend is 51. Now our next step, we are divided by 6. Now we have to multiply by 2. Division, multiplication, this process will continue. Now 2 multiplied by 5, that is quotient into multiplier, that is 9 into 2, that is 18. It should be minus. So the gross dividend 51 minus 18, that is quotient into multiplier, it comes 33 as a net dividend. Right? Now 33 divided by 6, the quotient comes 5, 6 5s are 30, remainder is 3, it prefixes to the next digit. So the gross dividend here becomes now 33. See again, this 33 is a net dividend, we are divided by 6, 5 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder. So for next calculations, 33 is the gross dividend. Now next step of the multiplication, that 2 multiplier into quotient 5. 5 into 2 we have written here as a minus 10. Right? Now this gross dividend minus this, that is 23, is a net dividend. Cleared here? Just see, gross dividend minus quotient into multiplier, that is 10, comes to be 23 as a net dividend. Now again we have to use divisor. This 23 divided by 6, so the quotient comes 3, that is 6 3s are 18, and a remainder is 5. We have written here as a prefix to the next digit. Here now the gross dividend is 52. Now we have kept here point. Now all our answers will come in the decimal points. Now here see, 52 is the gross dividend. Now multiplier into quotient, that is minus 6. So 52 minus 6, that is 46. 46 is the net dividend. We are again dividing 46 by 6. So 6 7s are 42. The next remainder is 4. Now if you want the answer up to 2 decimal point, you write here 0. If you want up to 3 decimal points, write up here also 1 0. We will see up to 2 decimal points. So we have written here 0. The remainder 4, we have prefixes here for 0. Now 40 is the gross dividend. Then again we will go for the multiplication, that is multiplier into quotient, that is multiplier into quotient, that is minus 14. Multiplier into quotient, that is minus 14. So gross dividend minus this is a net dividend. That is net dividend is 26. Now divide 26 by 6, the quotient comes to be 4. And here we will stop the example by solving, because we have gone up to 2 decimal points. So our final answer is 953.74. It means 59,132 divided by 62 is 953.74. Is it clear? Just see again and again, try to solve own examples with this method. You will get familiar with that method. Very easy, and within a minute you can solve such type of examples. In the next episode, we will see the division by 3 digits. For that, subscribe and share this channel. Thanks.